Warning all the states, the Supreme Court made it clear today that it will not tolerate any impediment in the SIR process. The top court today grilled the West Bengal government over the delays and alleged non-cooperation in the ongoing special intensive revision of electoral rolls in the state. A bench led by Chief Justice of India, Suryakant, questioned the Mamata Banerjee government over why it delayed submitting the list of Group B officers to the Election Commission despite a clear court order issued on February 4th. The court specifically asked that why was the list not provided on February 4th or 5th itself, and why only an email was sent on February 7th without proper details. The issue here assumes significance because during the last hearing, the top court had assured Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who personally appeared before it, that if state provided a list of competent Group B officers, the Election Commission would withdraw over 8,000 micro-observers deployed in the state. Now remember, the Mamata government has termed these micro-observers as central government officers who she claimed that they were deleting names of voters without proper authority. The Election Commission today, in fact, informed the top court that they are yet to receive the complete details of these 8,505 officers who are to replace their micro-observers. The state government, however, claimed it was awaiting a response from Election Commission and it was in fact ready with the list of these officers. Reacting sharply to the contradictory claims, Chief Justice Suryakant said that it was unfortunate that Election Commission was refusing the state government's claims on face in the court and warned that the Chief Secretary of the West Bengal may be asked to file an affidavit if clarity is not provided to the court. Expressing displeasure over the confusion, the Supreme Court warned all states that no impediment in the conduct of the SIR process will be tolerated. The court said that it will keep issuing directions to ensure smooth execution of the electoral revision process, just as it has done in the case of Bihar and today it did in the case of West Bengal. In the additional direction that the top court has issued today, the Supreme Court has said that all the 8,505 Group B officers whose list the Mamata government has provided today will have to report to duty by 5 p.m. tomorrow. Taking into account that they are new and being inducted, the Supreme Court extended the deadline for completion of the SIR exercise by one more week, which was earlier set for February 14th. The bench also made it clear that micro-observers or state officials will only assist in the process, while the final decision on voter inclusion will rest solely on electoral registration officers. Meanwhile, in a very serious development, the Supreme Court has directed the Director General of Police of West Bengal to file a personal affidavit explaining what actions have been taken on complaints related to violence, vandalism and intimidation of Election Commission officials during the SIR process. The Supreme Court noted that complaints of Election Commission officials seems to have gone unaddressed despite a January 19 order by the top court itself directing the state police to ensure maintenance of law and order and aid the Election Commission in completing the SIR process. Now, while in the next hearing, the top court will hear this explanation from the Director General of the West Bengal Police, do tell us in the comments below that what do you think about today's entire hearing in this case.